Good day. In this question, we will be calculating the number of atoms in the following cases. So we will use Avogadro's number here. So for letter A, number of atoms is equal to moles times Avogadro's number, which is equal to 3.65 mole times 6.022 times 10 to the 23 atoms per mole. This will give us 2.20 times 10 to the 24 atoms. For letter B, let's find the number of mole first using PV equals nRT, where N equals PV over RT, substituting with a given value